Welcome to the Art of Gifting with rightgifting.com. What is gifting? The art of turning your emotions into products that make your loved ones feel special. How to customize gifts with Right Gifting. First, select your product. Click on Customize button. Then the designer canvas will open. Here you can upload your images or ready designs by clicking on the upload button. You can also add clip art or text. Select the product of your choice from a variety of categories: babies and kids, fashion, home decor, pets special and more. A favorite image from your phone gallery or a ready design that you would like to print, just upload it on our designer canvas. No experience is required. You can choose from many rich features on our designer canvas like clip art, text, backgrounds, ready template, etc. No experience is required. Satisfied with how your product design looks? Just click the button Add to Cart and proceed to checkout. That's it. We take over from there. No experience is required. Now create amazing designs all on your own by just following simple steps. You can also save your designs for later. Don't worry, we are here to assist you all the way along. Have fun designing. To know more about personalizing or customizing your products, reach us at www.rightgifting.com. You can also WhatsApp us at 9110636079. Thanks for watching.